Love is in the heart, not by face, or it's not by word. Isaiah 29:13. 29:13.
Therefore, the Lord said, for as much as these people draw near me with their mouth, and their lips do honor me, but shall remove their hearts far from me, and their fear towards me is taught by the precepts of the hearts of men.
Brethren, for as much as these people draw near with me with their mouth. In other words, your mouth is saying one thing, your heart is another thing. But had removed their hearts far from me. So love must be in your heart.